Hello, this is Carlos Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service, and what I'm doing here today is wallpaper removal, skim coating the walls, sand the walls, prime the walls, then paint the walls. The wallpaper's been removed already, skim coating was done yesterday, and today I just finished doing the sanding, and I'm filling in all the corners with caulking and all the trims, caulk all the trims, ceiling, window casing, door casing, etc. So I'm not doing no painting on the ceiling or the trims. The trims are staying the same color. All I'm doing is strictly walls. And it's gonna be, I think, a light green color is what the homeowners picked. And if you can see, nice and smooth walls. Oh, nice and smooth. Again, this is Carlos Touch of Class Painting and Handyman Service of Rhode Island, 401-696-1650. You can call for a free estimate. I thank you very much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Google. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe on YouTube. You'll see some of my videos there. Until the next one.